Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to issue a refund on eBay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do so, you need to open a web browser, and from there you need to go in the official website of eBay. So once you're in the official website of eBay, all you need to do now is simply tap on the My Offer section, which is right besides the bell icon. After you have done this, you need to now simply tap on My Offer itself or to the Seller Hub. After you have done this, you need to now simply tap on the offers or your listings. Now, once you're in the listings page, you will find this kind of interface on your screen. After you are here, you need to tap on the last 90 days, or you can simply select the date, which will now present you all the orders that were in the past days that has been selected. After you have seen the orders, you can simply select the order you wanna refund, and once you have selected it, you can find an option called Send Refund. Simply tap on the Send Refund option, and you need to now simply select a reason for your refund and write the note to the buyer. After you have selected it and done that, you need to simply tap on Review Refund. Once it is done as well, you need to simply tap on the option called Send Refund. Once this is done, you can simply issue a refund on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.